Engineers often need to calculate thermal energy transfer in heating and cooling systems, material processing, or HVAC design. This thermal energy interactive calculator solves these problems using the fundamental heat transfer equation Q equals mc delta T. Let's explore the calculator's features. First, you'll see the Select Calculation Mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate thermal energy Q, calculate required mass M, calculate specific heat capacity C, calculate temperature change delta T, calculate final temperature T2, and calculate energy from power and time. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate Thermal Energy Q. The input fields include mass M in kilograms, specific heat capacity C in joules per kilogram Kelvin, temperature change delta T in Kelvin or degrees Celsius, thermal energy Q in joules, initial temperature T1 in degrees Celsius, power P in watts, and time T in seconds. Depending on your calculation mode, only the relevant fields will be active. Let's work through a practical example. We're heating 15 kilograms of water for an industrial process. Enter 15 in the mass field. Water's specific heat capacity is 4,186, so enter that in the specific heat capacity field. We need to raise the temperature by 60 degrees, so enter 60 in the temperature change field. Click Calculate. The result shows thermal energy 3,767,400 joules. This tells us exactly how much energy we need to achieve our temperature rise, which directly translates to heating element sizing and energy costs. A critical mistake engineers make is mixing unit systems. Always verify your specific heat capacity units match your temperature units to avoid calculation errors by factors of 1,000. Find the link in the description below.